Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of my tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to model a twisted torus ring hole. So let's get started. Go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon cylinder, rotate the cylinder along z-axis, type here 90°, cylinder radius type here 0.75, cylinder height type here 35, subdivision axis type here 6, subdivision height type here 120, subdivision caps make it 0. Now go to modeling toolkit, go to face selection mode, select this face, shift select this face, go to edit mesh, click duplicate face, go to object mode, select this face, go to modify, click center pivot and move the face just here. Go to edit, delete by type, delete history, unparent the face, press shift plus P to unparent it, shift plus P. Now select the face, select this time, select this face, only this face, go to edit mesh, click extract, this will extract the face, go to object mode, select this, turn on wireframe on shaded mode, move tool, modify, center pivot, press F to focus or zoom in. Now press D or insert key on your keyboard, press V to snap it just at the corner, press D. Now select this edge, press V on your keyboard and move just like this. Just put here. Now go to object mode, select this all object, modify, freeze transformation. Now select this one, modify, center pivot, rotate it, type here 90° along x-axis, rotate just like this, type -90° along z-axis, move this one here, press D or insert key on your keyboard, press V to snap the pivot point just here, move the pivot point here, again press D, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate this one and press V to snap this one just like this. Now press shift plus D to duplicate a special. This time press D or insert key on your keyboard, press V to snap the pivot point just here, again press D, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap this one just here, again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap just here. Now select all the faces, go to mesh, click combine, click merge vertices, select the vertices, go to modeling toolkit, select the vertices and see the vertices are merged. Now select multi-cut tool, one point here, another point here, press enter. Do the same for the lower part, press enter. Go to face selection mode, select this face and also this face, press delete. Go to object mode, select this one. Go to edge mode, select this edge and also this edge. Open modeling toolkit, click connect. Type here segment 2 and type here pins 1.6. Press enter. Now go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, select this one. Modify center pivot, scale just like this. Press D or insert key on your keyboard. Press V to snap it at the corner. Again press D. Press V to snap the pivot point. Sorry, to snap this one just here. Press F to focus or zoom in. Now scale this one as shown. Again press F to focus or zoom in. Now go to diffront, open lattice option, edit, reset the setting, type here 2, click create, right click, select the lattice point, and move this one just like this, just here. Go to object mode, select this one, edit, delete by type, delete history. This will erase the lattice handle. Now select this one, select this one, go to edge mode, select this edge and also this edge, click extrude, press V to snap it to snap just like this. Now go to object mode, again go to vertex mode, select this vertex and move this one, press V to snap, select this vertex, press V and move just like this. Go to object mode, select this, hide this one. Now select this object, go to multi-cut tool, press shift on your keyboard and just press shift and click on this and select 30% and press Ctrl plus shift. This will create a perpendicular edge loop. Press enter. Now go to face selection mode, select this face, this one and also this one. Go to edit mesh, click extract, go to object mode, select this, go to modify, click center pivot, press D or insert key on your keyboard, press V to snap it just here, again press D. Select this one, press Ctrl plus D and hide. Select these two objects, go to mesh, click combine, again press D or insert, edit, delete by type, delete history, press V to snap the pivot point just here, again press D, move and see, Ctrl G to undo, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap just like this. Select this vertex and move this one. Select this vertex and move this one. Just here go to object mode. Select this vertex and move just here. Now go to object mode. Again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap just like this. Move this one here. Not this one. Unhide this one. And move this one just here. Press F to focus or zoom in. Modify center pivot. And move this one just here. Press F to focus or zoom in. And adjust just like this. Vertex selection mode, select this vertex. Move this one here, select this vertex and move the vertex here. Now go to object mode. Select all. Deselect this one. Go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to face selection mode. Select this face. Press delete. Just here. Now select the polygon cylinder. Press shift on your keyboard, right click, polygon display. Select toggle face center. Now select this surface. Press D or insert key on your keyboard. Press V to snap the pivot point just here. Again press D. Now press Ctrl plus D to duplicate your face and rotate it. Type here minus 180 degree along x-axis. Sorry, type here minus 120 degree. Press Shift plus D to duplicate a special. Now select your cylinder and delete this. Select these three. Go to deform, non-linear, select twist. Rotate the twist handle 90 degree along z-axis, type here 90 degree. And start angle, type here 1080 degree. Select these three objects. Go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Now again go to deform, non-linear, select bend. Rotate the bend handle 90 degree along z-axis. Curvature, type here 180 degree. Select these three objects. Go to edit, delete by type, delete history, and rotate them. Type here 90 degree. Go to modify, click freeze transformation, modify center pivot, press F to focus or zoom in. Now go to face selection mode, vertex mode, select all the vertices, click merge, go to face selection mode, select this face, shift double click, go to select, click inverse. Now click extrude, keep face together off, click on this square bar and scale slightly. Just like this. Press delete to delete all the faces. Now select all the faces, click extrude and give a slight thickness. Type here 0.5, 0.1. This is the twisted torus with holes which I tell you about. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.